We have a breaking story. Manny Vega, the Pilgrims home run sensation, has been killed in an automobile accident. Details at this time are inconclusive, but detectives are looking into the matter. Of course, we'll have much more on this story as it develops.
Tommy, you're on your own tonight. No babysitter for you.
Once again, Manny Vega, Boston Pilgrims baseball superstar, has died tonight in a fatal car accident.
Wonder if he'll go down as one of the best hitters of all time, or the baseball star who murdered his sober coach and then died in a DUI.
Got the results from the contents of the sports bottle.
Well, from his car, that was fast.
I processed it myself. That guy was my hero. I wanted to know if he was loaded.
Was he?
Can you put it down here? No. Glucose water, B vitamins, taurine, ginseng, caffeine.
No drugs, alcohol, or steroids.
No. This is strange. Cardiomyopathy. He has an enlarged heart.
Congenital?
Well, recent damage.
Maura, you have that I have a case-solving hunch look on your face.
My face doesn't hunch. It's minor pruritus.
Excuse me?
An itch. His kidneys are damaged. Look at that crystallization.
Yeah. From what?
I'd be guessing.
God, it's torture sometimes. Have you seen this before?
Yes.
Okay, good. What did it turn out to be before?
Ethylene glycol ingestion.
Antifreeze. Someone was poisoning him.